Hey, what's up everyone? It's Pat's voiceover again, ready to drop some serious knowledge on that ass. Ha ha ha, yeah, so listen, I just hit $1,000 in profit last month selling t-shirts online, and the best part, I never touched any inventory, I never dealt with shipping, and I didn't need to buy any fancy equipment. It's all thanks to this amazing business model called print on demand. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how print on demand works, how you can find winning products, and how to start making sales, even if you're starting from zero. So, if you're ready to build a profitable side hustle that could even turn into a full-time income, stick around. So, what is print on demand? It's actually a really simple business model. You create designs, put them on products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, you name it, all without actually holding any inventory yourself. You partner with a print-on-demand company, they handle everything else. Think about it, someone places an order on your store, the order gets sent directly to the print-on-demand company, they print and ship the product directly to your customer. You literally just focus on the fun part, designing and marketing. No upfront costs for inventory, no late-night trips to the post office. It's all about leveraging your creativity and the power of the internet. The first step to winning with print on demand is finding a profitable niche. This is the foundation of your business, the cornerstone that will determine your success. Without a well-defined niche, you risk blending into the sea of competitors. But with the right niche, you can stand out and attract a dedicated audience. This is where you're going to differentiate yourself and tap into a passionate audience. Think of it as finding your tribe, a group of people who are enthusiastic about the same things you are. When you cater to their specific interests, you create a loyal customer base that keeps coming back for more. Now, you don't need to reinvent the wheel here. Start by thinking about your own interests, hobbies, or communities you're a part of. What are you passionate about? What topics do you find yourself constantly talking about or researching? These are great starting points for niche ideas. Are you obsessed with dogs? Maybe you have a deep love for a specific breed, or you're involved in dog training or rescue. The dog niche is vast and filled with opportunities, from apparel to accessories and beyond. Gaming? The gaming community is huge and incredibly diverse, with niches within niches. Whether it's retro gaming, esports, or a specific game franchise, there's a passionate audience waiting for unique products. Sustainable living? With the growing awareness of environmental issues, eco-friendly products are in high demand. This niche appeals to a conscientious audience looking for sustainable alternatives. These are all potential gold mines. The key is to find a niche that not only has a dedicated audience but also aligns with your interests and values. This alignment will make your work more enjoyable and your marketing more authentic. Once you have a few ideas, head over to Etsy. Etsy is a treasure trove of niche markets and can provide valuable insights into what's currently trending. Browse through different categories and take note of the best sellers. Look at what's selling well, what kind of designs are popular. Pay attention to customer reviews and feedback. This can give you clues about what people love and what they feel is missing in the market. You can even use tools like Etsy Hunt or Google Trends to see search volume and trending topics. These tools can help you validate your niche ideas and ensure there's enough demand to make your efforts worthwhile. Remember, the goal is to find a niche that's both profitable and something you're genuinely interested in. When you combine passion with market demand, you create a powerful formula for success. So take your time, do your research, and find that golden ticket niche that will set you on the path to print-on-demand success. Now here's the best part. You don't need to be a professional graphic designer to create awesome designs. Canva is your best friend. It's a free and easy-to-use design tool with tons of templates and elements to get you started. Want something even more unique? Check out Midjourney. It's an AI-powered design tool that can generate incredible designs based on your prompts. Seriously, the stuff it comes up with is mind-blowing. Don't be afraid to experiment, try different styles, and most importantly, make it relevant to your niche. Remember, your designs are what's going to make you stand out from the crowd. Alright, now that you've got your designs ready, it's time to choose your print-on-demand platform. This is a crucial step because the platform you choose will significantly impact your business's success. Each platform has its own unique features, advantages, and limitations, so it's important to understand what each one offers before making a decision. There are a ton of options out there, but I'm going to focus on 3 of the best: Redbubble, Teespring, and Printify. These platforms are popular for a reason, and they each cater to different needs and business models. Let's dive into what makes each of these platforms stand out. Redbubble is great for beginners. It's user-friendly and doesn't require any upfront costs, which makes it perfect for those just starting out. It's super easy to use. They have a massive marketplace, and they offer a wide variety of products. From t-shirts and hoodies to phone cases and stickers, you can find almost anything to put your designs on. Plus, Redbubble handles all the printing, shipping, and customer service for you, so you can focus on creating more designs. Teespring is known for its marketing tools and integrations. If you're looking to actively promote your products and drive sales, Teespring might be the right choice for you. They make it really easy to run ads and promote your products. Teespring integrates seamlessly with social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram, allowing you to reach a wider audience. They also offer analytics tools to help you track your sales and marketing performance. And then there's Printify. Printify is all about giving you more control and potentially higher profit margins. Unlike other platforms, Printify allows you to choose from a network of print providers. They connect you with a network of print providers, so you can choose the best fit for your needs. This means you can select providers based on factors like cost, location, and product variety. Printify also offers a wide range of customization options, allowing you to create unique products that stand out in the market. So, take your time to explore these platforms and choose the one that aligns best with your business goals and creative vision. Creating awesome designs is just one part of the equation. You also need to make sure your listings are optimized to actually make sales. This means using relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions so people can actually find your products. Think about what people would type into the search bar when looking for something like what you're selling. Use those keywords. High-quality mock-ups are also key. You want to show off your designs in the best light possible. Use a tool like Placeit to create stunning mock-ups that will make people want to click that buy button. Okay, you've got your designs, your store is set up, now it's time to get some eyes on your products. And the best part? You don't need to spend a dime on ads right away. Pinterest is a goldmine for print on demand. Create eye-catching pins that showcase your designs and link them back to your products. TikTok is another powerhouse. Create fun, engaging videos that feature your designs or even the behind the scenes of your process. Don't forget about YouTube Shorts. Short, snappy videos are perfect for grabbing attention and driving traffic to your store. Be consistent, engage with your audience, and watch the traffic roll in. Once you're ready to take things to the next level, Facebook ads can be a game changer. The key here is to start small and scale gradually. Begin with a $5 per day budget and target your ads specifically to people interested in your niche. Test different ad creatives, headlines, and audiences to see what performs best. As you start to see results, gradually increase your budget. The beauty of Facebook ads is the ability to target your ideal customer with laser precision. Remember, it's all about finding what works for your specific niche and scaling from there. Now I know what you're thinking. Does this stuff actually work? Absolutely. I'm going to show you some real-life examples of people just like you who are crushing it with print on demand in 2025. We'll take a look at their earnings, their strategies, and how they're building successful businesses from scratch. Remember, these are everyday people who decided to take action and build something incredible with their own hands. If they can do it, so can you. Let's dive in and get inspired. So there you have it, a complete blueprint for building a successful print-on-demand business in 2025. We've covered everything from the initial steps of brainstorming your niche to setting up your online store and marketing your products effectively. This journey might seem daunting at first, but remember, every successful entrepreneur started right where you are now, with an idea and the determination to see it through. Remember, the beauty of this model is that anyone can do it. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a college student, or someone looking to escape the 9-to-5 grind, Print on Demand offers a flexible and scalable way to earn income. You can work from anywhere, at any time, and tailor your business to fit your lifestyle. You don't need to be a design expert because there are countless resources available to help you learn. From online tutorials to user-friendly design tools, you can create stunning products even if you're just starting out. Plus, there are many talented designers out there who can help bring your vision to life if you prefer to outsource this part of the process. You don't need thousands of dollars to get started either. With Print on Demand, you can launch your business with minimal upfront investment. This means you can test different ideas and products without the financial risk that comes with traditional inventory-based businesses. It's a low-risk, high-reward opportunity that allows you to grow at your own pace. And you definitely don't need to quit your day job just yet. Take that first step, start exploring different niches, and see what resonates with you. This side hustle can be managed alongside your current commitments, giving you the freedom to build your business gradually. As you gain more confidence and see your efforts pay off, you can decide if and when you want to take it full-time. Let your creativity run wild. The print-on-demand model thrives on unique and innovative designs. Don't be afraid to experiment and push the boundaries of your creativity. The more original and eye-catching your products, the more likely they are to stand out in a crowded market. Go check out my line of original and creative designs at Fifth Density Productions at Shopify. I'll leave a link below. You never know, this could be the side hustle that changes everything for you. Many successful entrepreneurs started with a simple idea and turned it into a thriving business. Your print-on-demand venture could be the key to financial freedom and personal fulfillment. Now I want to hear from you. What niche are you most excited about? Whether it's custom apparel, unique home decor, or personalized accessories, there's a market out there for your creativity. Share your ideas, and let's inspire each other. What niche are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. Your feedback and ideas could spark the next big trend in the print-on-demand world. Let me know in the comments below. And before you go, make sure to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with all the latest tips, tricks, and strategies to help you succeed in your print-on-demand journey. And before you go, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Your support helps us create more valuable content for aspiring entrepreneurs like you. And let me know which print-on-demand platform you're most excited to try by answering the poll. There are so many great options out there, each with its own unique features and benefits. Your input will help others make informed decisions about which platform to choose. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep dreaming big and taking those steps towards your entrepreneurial goals. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are well worth it.